In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate an automation in HoneyBook, Automation Status 2026. First, open your preferred web browser and head to honeybook.com. You can do this on a desktop or laptop for the clearest view of the menus we'll use. Once you're on the site, sign into your HoneyBook account using your usual login credentials. If you're prompted for any additional security verification, like a code or a confirmation on your device, complete that to proceed. After you log in, you'll land on your HoneyBook dashboard. This is your home base, where you'll see an overview of projects, tasks, and recent activity. Take a quick moment to make sure everything looks as expected. This helps confirm you're in the right workspace if you manage multiple brands or teams. Now, look to the left side of the screen. That vertical panel is your main navigation. From here, you can access everything from projects to templates. But for today, we're heading into automations. Click Automations to open the Automations page. On this page, you'll see your list of automations. Each automation typically has a name, a status, and quick controls. Think of this page as your command center for anything that sends emails automatically, applies tasks, or moves clients through a workflow. If you manage several workflows, you can use the search or sort options to find what you need faster. Locate the automation you want to use. It might be something like a new inquiry follow-up, a booking workflow, or a project onboarding sequence. If you're unsure, take a moment to confirm the title matches the process you intend to run, and make sure the content and timing make sense for your clients. It's a good idea to double-check that any templates referenced by the automation, like emails, questionnaires, or brochures, are finalized and up to date. When you're ready, turn it on. Find the active toggle or switch for that automation and click it. The status should immediately change to show it's activated. If HoneyBook asks you to confirm, accept the prompt. Once active, the automation will run based on its triggers, such as when a form is submitted or when a project moves to a specific stage. Keep in mind, activations generally apply going forward and won't retroactively run on past projects unless explicitly configured to do so. That's it. You've activated your automation. As a final tip, monitor the first few runs to ensure messages sent at the right times and to the right recipients, and make any adjustments to timing or templates as needed.